don't like it.
Take two.
Yum, yum. Yum, yum. What is that?
Sonia, it's food.
What is that? What is that? What is that?
Okay.
Watch. Now I got her attention.
Oh, wow.
Look, see?
That's amazing.
Oh,
I think she was just so hungry she didn't want to hear it.
You
But
know,
now
she does
she
it with
see?
the breast too. She screams
Yeah.
first and then she latches. Yeah.
Because you know why? What happens is, so then see, you have to wait. Sometimes it's shh, yum, yum. Isn't that nice? That is so good.
What does it
This is
taste
your
like?
first shot glass.
hey.
Yes. What do you think? Like, you like that?
She makes bubbles.
You like that? Just don't wait so long. You know, if you're going to do this, don't wait till she's starving.
Okay.
You better do it a little bit earlier because you see she gets very upset. See? And if you do it a little bit earlier, she won't be upset. You see? Because it's hard. I could do it. I could feed her
I'm
like
sure.
that, but maybe it'll be a little harder for you. I know, honey. I'm so sorry. Yeah, do you like that? So see, you hold her. See how I'm holding the side of the
Yeah.
back of her head? That's how I'm balancing, really. See, like, look, she's not sure, so don't pour it down her.
Slowly.
You see how I'm just guiding her. And they know how to drink from a cup. Isn't that amazing?
It is amazing. Once they told me
Who
to,
would ever believe that, right?
once they told me cup feeding, I couldn't really understand. You know.
She's spitting it out.
No, but they do that when they don't know. You know,
But she
maybe
looks happy now. She's
when she
content now.
takes like a lot in it. No. See? So you put it right by her lips and just wait for her. Like she's not sure what to do
She
with
falling
it.
asleep now?
No, not yet, but she's not sure what to do with it. See? So give her a little bit so she knows to swallow it. And see? You like that?
She doesn't mind it. But the beginning was tough.
Yeah.
She has to drink the full cup.
No, but if you want to go home, it'd be a good idea.
If you want to go and have a
I'm going to
cigarette.
burp out because I feel she probably has to burp, you know? I have not seen a baby do that in a long time. They
What,
usually
spitting?
drink it. Yeah. Saying this is not the real stuff, Mama. Mama, why you drink this stuff?
Because probably she might know what's the breast milk now.
Yeah, she does. She does know
She was a
that.
new thing again.
And that's what's so hard, believe it or not. You know?
So how people combining?
See what? I'm going to burp her.
But did you see kids doing it, like pushing back like this?
But yes, and a lot of people do. Maybe she has gas,
Okay.
you know. So that's why I'm going to burp her. If you notice that she stops feeding, then burp her.
Okay.
Because it usually means that, yeah, she's trying to get something up. She's saying, oh, this stuff really makes me feel full. And it does. Formula is so much heavier.
It's heavy, right?
Burp for daddy.
Yeah, you want some
You
burp.
know what? She's one of those that takes a long time to burp. That's hard. But just bear with it. She's probably tired.
And what is the other way? Just putting it right here.
I like doing it this
Like
way
this one.
better. I think that it makes them burp better. I mean, you could alternate. Put her there. Put her, look, she's looking for it in her sleep. I think she got a little tired, you know? That's why she's a little cranky. She also got tired. Look, she says, what's in this milk?
She's falling asleep now.
Yeah. Oh, see? She burped.
She did?
Yeah, she did. Nice and politely, she
I thought something had to come out.
No, not necessarily.
No, she was
No,
very
it's an
polite.
air.
You know when you politely burp?
It's
She
an
did
air.
it nice and slow.
Once
I
they
went to
speed,
give her
it's not a
more.
burp.
I went to give her more, and look, it came up very light, very slow. But she takes a while to burp this one. She's not too easy. Say hi. See, that wasn't so bad, was it? No, let's see if you want to take a little bit more. You want some?
So basically, if not, it's fine, right?
But
If she does one more.
yeah, no, if she doesn't want more, that's okay. But
So it's
I bet you she takes. Watch. Even though they might be sleeping, sometimes if you just go like that, see, and she'll start taking it.
But burping is a must, right?
Oh, yes. If you've noticed the baby is sleeping, like falling asleep so quickly,
Burp.
then burp her. Burp her, because most likely sometimes babies with the gas, they just get sleepy. See, look, here she goes. One more.
No. That's what she does with the breast. So.
You know what? She might like not to eat a lot, but to eat often. There she goes. See? Isn't that cute? Who would ever think a baby could drink from a cup? Isn't that amazing? Like,
She's really
go
drinking.
easy. Right, so when she gets like that, take it away, okay?
Oh, like not too much.
Right, exactly. Yeah, you don't want to. And if she gets too much and she coughs, then just take it out, okay? Like, you know, don't panic. If she coughs like it went down the wrong way, then just
Burp her, basically.
yes, exactly. Take the cup away and just burp her. See? There you go. What a good girl. What a good girl you are. Now, I'm not going to force her, but I'll show her. If she wants it, she'll drink it. If she doesn't want it, she's going to spit it out. Okay? Okay, that's enough. I don't want to give her any more.
It was a lot.
Mm-hmm. Maybe spilled a little bit, but it's good.
Like 20 milligrams.
The only way I would give her more is if she burped.
Okay.
You know?
But 1 cup would be enough for the feeding.
Yeah.
Okay.
For now, she's only 2
And-
days old. Her belly is like the size of a marble.
So this can be given again, or once you open it, it goes away.
You know, once you open it, it's good for 1 hour.
Okay.
The bottle.
Okay, goes
You
right
know,
away now.
I mean, some people would say, "Oh, I'm gonna put it in the fridge." Well,
Ooh, that was it?
That's it.
that's
So
a burp.
what is it when they actually puke
Air.
things out?
Let's see if she'll. Let's see
No,
if she'll
saying,
take. Let's see if she'll take a little more, maybe.
Когда у нее вытекает изо рта, what is this?
No. When she spits because she had an air and she's full now. It's full in the air.
No.
No. She's she's good about it. She tells you when she does what.
She changed her mind.
Excellent. Right to the hole.
So you see,
Okay.
you just have to really have control of
Let's
the back
take
of the
a
head.
good look at the nerves.
See?
Thank you.
Good luck.
Hey.
We're open 24 hours, so if you have a problem, you can always call and ask us.
Thank you.
I'll just
Any
bring her here
questions?
every 2 hours to feed.
Yeah. Don't laugh. Somebody actually did that last week. Somebody went home and they came back.
Ouch.
The night shift said, once you're home, you're home. Then you have to get a lactation nurse or something like that if you feel you need that. That was good. Do you like that?
Yeah.
Now you're going to get all in a pretty clothes, okay?
You can put her there.
Do you want me to put her
No,
here?
right here,
Put her
right
here?
Yeah.